Hey guys, it's me Tristan, and here's the one moment I've been waiting for. Unboxing the PACMAN amiibo. This is my favorite amiibo because of Mario Kart 8. Not it's just only a cool me suit, but the helmet has a PACMAN animation. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, let me just adjust the camera. Okay. You see my gamepad right here. Alright, just hold on a sec. There we go. Alright, now let's see how it goes on my Mii. Wow. Yeah. See that? See that, PACMAN? That's why I told you there was a PACMAN animation. Yeah, let's go back to my favorite card combination. And of course, it's yellow. Okay, that concludes this video, and thanks for watching.